Man shot and killed by police in Westmoreland. Presser shot dead in St. James. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Investigations are underway into the shooting death of a man believed to be of unsound mind at a bar near Betheltown in Westmoreland on Monday. It is reported that the man was shot by a policeman after he allegedly attacked and stabbed the cop's colleague. The deceased has been identified as Dwayne Clark, also of a Betheltown address. According to police, about 5:45 p.m., Clark and another man got into a dispute inside a bar when the police were called to quell the dispute. On reaching the location, one of the cops was in the process of reprimanding Clark when he allegedly attacked him with a stool. The policeman fell to the ground and Clark brandished a knife which he used to stab him in his face and chest before he was fatally shot by the cop's colleague. The Director of Complaints at the Independent Commission of Investigations, Errol Chatu, stated that they are aware of the incident and are now carrying out an investigation. The police in St. James have launched a probe into a shooting in Rompton district in the parish that has left one man dead and another injured. The deceased has been identified so far only as Presser. The shooting happened sometime after 2 p.m. on Tuesday. According to police reports, both men were among a group of persons at a shop in Rompton when armed men traveling on board a motorcar opened gunfire, hitting them. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, the victims were rushed to a hospital. Presser was pronounced dead, and the other men treated and admitted in serious condition. No motive has yet been established surrounding the incident.